Hi students, this is a short video to guide you through the reference books for chemistry to get success in NEET, JEE as well as JEE advanced examination. So there are a lot of students who were asking questions regarding which are the good reference books to refer. So let's put an end to all the questions. So सबसे पहले the most important book to refer is NCERT, very important and very specifically for chemistry. So NCERT in case of chemistry is considered as very sacred and Bible for the NEET and JEE examination. So if I talk about NEET examination, about 80 to 85% of the content is directly straightforward asked from NCERT. In fact, line by line. So if you go through the NCERT books properly, about 80-85% of the score would be guaranteed. As far as JEE examination is concerned, there is a lot of combinations which can be prepared with regards to the class 11th and class 12th syllabus. So JEE ke liye, I can say about 60 to 70% of the content is covered from NCERT. Rest of the content is basically a mixture of the questions which is related with the topics given in NCERT, but the difficulty level of those questions is bit higher as compared with the NEET examination. Also for JEE Advanced, the basic reference material would be your NCERT books only. So NCERT class 11, there is part 1, part 2, and class 12 also there is part 1 and part 2. Next, the reference books. So once you are thorough with the NCERT syllabus, and let's say if some of the concepts are not covered in depth in the NCERT, and if you want some more information with regards to that concept, that topic, then you can refer these reference books. So for physical chemistry, GRB publication by OP Tandon and AS Singh, you can refer that, a very good book for numericals of physical chemistry. Then the GRB publication for inorganic chemistry, again by OP Tandon. It's a very good reference book, though it is extensive with regards to the content of inorganic chemistry. But whatever topic is not understood with regards to the NCERT, you can refer those topics from the reference book of OP Tandon in organic chemistry. You need not go through the entire book. And also there are good number of MCQs which are given in these reference books. You can solve them for your practice. Then for organic chemistry, there is a very good book by Balaji publication written by MS Chauhan. There are very good organic chemistry related MCQs in this booklet, which comes with a good number of practice questions. Then after the reference books, to have a good practice and confidence in the approach of the MCQs, at the basic level, you can start with NCERT at your fingertips and the NEET or JEE champion for the NEET and the JEE examination. So these are very good books to get a good hands-on practice for the MCQs. And for the advanced examination specifically, there is a set of 6 books from Singage Publications, and these are really excellent books with excellent content for the advanced examination. So there are 6 booklets of organic part 1, part 2, inorganic part 1, part 2, and physical part 1 and part 2. Last but not the least, you should never ever forget to solve the previous year questions. So the JEE mains and advanced as well as NEET examination, there are Arient publication books available for solving the previous year questions. There are about 40 plus years questions which are given in the Arient publications for JEE examination, and 31 years questions for the NEET examination. So with this reference material, your preparation for the top level examinations would be definitely be very good. Thank you.